Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration channel. Working on the 57-210 today. I got the spindles on both sides for the disc brakes. All new bushings, all new ball joints. Still have to put some new shocks in, and it's looking pretty good. I'm very happy with the progress so far. As you can see, I'm using the homemade ball joint compressor that everyone is using. What I would recommend, instead of using a short nut here, use the longer nut that for like joining threaded rods. That nut would give you up above here, make it a little easier to adjust and get your spring tension. But altogether, not too difficult. That compressor works really well. Very happy with the results. And one of the things I do have to do is she still has the you can see it under there, the manual cross link and idler arm is on there. I got to put the power steering stuff on that I got because I want power steering on it so my wife can drive the car. Disc brakes, obviously they're going to be power. So looking forward to continuing moving on the project. It's you know, I think most guys that work on these things know they're a lot of work. You know, all cars are a lot of work, but you know, these things are fairly simple to work on compared to a lot of other ones that are out there. The stuff just is just easier. So anyways, just wanted to show you what I was doing and what I was up to, and talk to you later.